Purva, can you get me something to drink? I'm so thirsty.
Sure, Mom. Sorry.
What nonsense! Where is your focus?
So sorry.
What sorry? She ruined my suit.
What's wrong, dear? I'm so sorry.
Excuse me, please.
Mrs. Sinha, is this, is she Siddhant's sister?
Yes, sorry. It was an accident.
It's okay. Never mind. It'll dry up. It's all right. Sorry girl. I didn't get your name.
Purva.
Purva. Nice. What's wrong? Nothing, Mr. Sinha. Everything's fine.
I'm very happy today.
It is.
After seeing both of you, I'm really happy. Well, what do they say?
Overjoyed.
Overjoyed. I'm overjoyed, Prabhakar. Is this Purva?
Yes.
How did he grow so tall without me noticing? Huh? God bless. Ma'am, did you meet Shrikant, Karthik and Anushka?
Yes.
Ah,
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Enough. Who seeks blessing like this these days?
they badly need your blessings. Huh? They are starting a new chapter in their lives today. I and Prabhakar are very old friends. But every time I talk to you, Prabhakar always talks business. Actually, it is not his fault either. I should visit your home sometime.
Please.
Does Lord Krishna ever visit poor Sudama's house?
What is he mumbling? Huh? Young man, say that aloud. Now I will definitely visit your house. I'll have our families meet.
Sure.
I promise you that.
You're right, KK. Henceforth, whenever I go to play bridge, I'll surely message you. Well, bridge? Cards? Oh, I see. I don't gamble.
Ma'am, even I don't like playing cards.
Sir, it's almost time. The bid for Fly High Airways is about to open.
So late at night.
It's nighttime only in India, Gayatri. In many other countries, it's either morning or evening. Actually, companies from different countries have bid. That's why the bid is opening as per different time
Prabhakar,
zones.
our time is now. Come on.
Come on. Come.
Don't trip over your sari, okay? People will laugh at you. Be careful.
Siddhant Sinha, only those fall who don't know which way they are going. So you are the one who needs to be careful.
You're like an old school actress. You never let go of chance to lecture people.
You will be sad, KK. But don't lose hope, okay? This time Reddy Corporation won't back this deal.
What's a rush, Goel? Wait for the announcement. KK has Prabhakar by my side. Prabhakar.
You did all this to impress Dad, didn't you?
Why do you think so?
Then why did you do it? And for whom?
Well, I don't feel the need to answer your questions, but still hear this out. I did all that to prove to my father that I'm ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, 5 companies have bid for Fly High Airways. 1 from China, 1 from Korea, and 1 from Australia, and 2 from our own country, India, of which the Koreans have withdrawn for reasons unknown to us. Out of the 4 companies that are still in race, after going through the commercial and technical details of the company, Fly High Airlines will go to Goyal Airways.
This is not good. Your dad had planned so much around this bid.
It's okay.
Why is it so silent over here? Today I will tell you something about the experience I have. Business is like war. Some win while some others lose. But celebrations should never stop in life. The winner should, he should rejoice. And the one who loses should applaud. Cheers for this victory, Goel. You should be the one throwing this party. But I did it. But never mind. I'll send you the bill. Wah?
And I'll send the check.
See? That's my dad. He wins because he can face defeat.
Enjoy. Prabhakar, the mood of the party should not be spoiled. Cheers.
Yes.
I'm so proud of you, Dad.
Usually a father is proud of his child. But today my daughter is proud of me. I'm really happy to see this.
Come on, friends. Let's add some romance to this lovely evening. Let me present to you a new song from my new movie, to sing which coming up on stage is the singer himself, Rahul Jain. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Rahul Jain.
तुझे पाया नहीं है फिर भी खोने से डर रहा हूँ छुप के तुझसे तेरा चेहरा मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। तुझे पाया नहीं है फिर भी खोने से डर रहा हूँ। छुप छुप के तुझसे तेरा चेहरा मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। थोड़े आंसू थोड़ी यादें थोड़ी चाहत थोड़े वादे मुझ में बाकी अब तलक क्यों तेरे जज्बात है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या 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 है।
Seems like our judgment went wrong this time.
Something did go wrong, but something good came out of it too. Siddhant, now you must join my company. Huh? What say, Prabhakar? The boy has proven himself. He won a case which no one hoped that he would. We wouldn't care about experience anymore. We should judge him by talent. Anushka, you trust Siddhant right now, don't you? Huh?
साया बनके संग तेरे रूप में चलना खुद से ही तारीफें तेरी रात भर करना। साया बनके संग तेरे रूप में चलना खुद से ही तारीफें तेरी रात भर करना। भूलूं कैसे बीती बातें ढूंढे तुझको भीगी आंखें गूंजती कानों में अब तक बस तेरी आवाज है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या 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 है।
She won't dance tonight.
Why not?
If she does, then let's watch the fun.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले और कुछ भी चाहूं ना। है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले और कुछ भी चाहूं ना। टूटे टूटे ख्वाब सारे बुझ गए एहसास ये सारे याद फिर भी अब तलक मुझको तेरी हर बात है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है प्यार नहीं तो क्या प्यार नहीं तो क्या।
Anu? What? Let's dance.
I was waiting for this. You're wearing a sari. Something was bound to go wrong.
Are you fine, Anu?
Yes, I'm good.
Anushka, is everything okay?
Yes, Dad.
Hello, Mr. Sood.
You know what? Siddhant has great timing.
Thank you, Siddhant. I'm grateful.
No problem.
Thank you so much, Rahul, for this lovely
It
song.
was my pleasure.
Keep playing. Don't stop. Those who stop are worth nothing. Yeah. Keep playing. You play the piano very well. Thank you. You may go now.
No matter what the world thinks, it does matter to KK. It's good. Or else I started to feel that KK's heart has turned stone cold. That it feels nothing. It's good.
Cheers to Goyal Airlines.
Cheers. I hope you remember your promise. Reddy Corporation will be partners in the airlines business.
I absolutely remember. I've always been wanting to work with the Reddys. But I hope you remember your promise.
I do. Prabhakar will be eliminated.
It's a crucial case of my life.
Who is Shrikant's lawyer?
Siddhant won the case.
I wish to know how you won the case.
It's not like I won for the first time.
He consumed drugs in the court to prove it was sugar.
Where is Siddhant?
The lad has proven himself. Experience doesn't matter now. Talent does. Anushka, I hope you trust Siddhant at least now.
Should I light it for you?
I don't smoke. Today, actually.
How would I know even if you did? You don't tell me everything, do you?
What do you mean? Is everything alright? That airlines deal.
I'm not here to discuss about myself, but about yourself. I had told you that I wish to know more about Shrikant's case.
You can ask anything other than that case.
That day you had something in the court. Was it a drug or sugar?
We better not discuss professional matters at home. Either way, I'm really sleepy. I'll get going.
Was it a drug or sugar?
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.